Hi guys, today we are going to unbox our new MacBook Pro model 2016. So let's see what they are sending the new features with. The 15 inches, 2.7 quad core i7, 16 gigabytes of memory, 512 gigabytes of SSD hard disk drive. Okay, let's just open it and then we know what they have shipped in. Okay. Come on. Okay, so here it is. MacBook Pro 2016. Traditional, same old things. Yeah, let's just unwrap it. This looks beautiful. No HDMI ports though. No USB cables, ports, and yeah, so they just took that away. That's the new improvement. Let's open that up. So yeah, and this is the magic touch bar they have been talking about a lot. And to me this looks like exactly the keypad of an iPhone, and exactly the same thing.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Yeah, I will. Anyway, this is this fingerprint scanner that used to be in the previous laptops. I mean, it's nothing new. It looks like a little bit slim, but overall, yeah, look at that. It's a huge keypad. So I don't know what Apple is trying to get to, but they say they claim that this is improvement. Well, you know what? 2 months ago, I set my target to lift 120 kg when I was only capable of lifting 50 kg. And within 2 months I am capable enough to lift 120 kg, and that's called improvement, bitches. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.